Plasma cutters slice through metal like a hot knife through butter. But their journey to precision and power is a story of science, grit, and innovation. This video dives into how a wartime discovery became a game-changer for industries worldwide. Stick around to uncover the surprising evolution of plasma cutters on Objectified. Welcome to Objectified, where everyday tools and objects get their moment in the spotlight. Today, the focus is on plasma cutters, those fiery machines that make metalwork look effortless. From their accidental origins to their modern-day precision. This video explores how plasma cutters have transformed industries and sparked creativity. Expect a deep dive into their history, technological leaps, and even some jaw-dropping facts that might surprise you. Let's get started. Plasma cutting began in the chaos of World War II. Scientists were racing to improve welding techniques to build stronger, faster aircraft. At Union Carbide's welding lab in the 1940s, researchers stumbled upon something extraordinary. By forcing inert gas through a tiny opening, they created a superheated stream so intense it could slice through metal instead of joining it. This was plasma, the fourth state of matter, being harnessed as a cutting tool. The process was a breakthrough. Unlike traditional cutting methods that chipped away at metal, plasma cutting used a jet of ionized gas reaching temperatures up to 40,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It produced cleaner edges and worked faster. However, early plasma cutters were bulky, expensive, and relied on costly gases, limiting their use to industrial giants. By the 1950s, the technology was refined enough to compete with oxyacetylene torches. But it wasn't until the 1970s that plasma cutting started gaining traction. The public began to see its potential, and smaller workshops adopted it for its speed and precision. The 1980s marked a turning point for plasma cutters. Computer numerical control, or CNC technology, entered the scene. These computer-guided systems allowed plasma cutters to carve intricate shapes with pinpoint accuracy, revolutionizing industries like automotive and aerospace. Suddenly, complex parts could be cut from flat sheets of steel without manual effort. In the 1990s, high-definition plasma cutting emerged. New nozzle designs increased the energy density of the plasma arc, producing cuts so clean they rivaled laser cutting. These advancements made plasma cutters versatile enough to handle everything from thin aluminum to thick stainless steel. Automated gas flow systems also debuted, reducing human error and making the machines easier to operate. The 2000s brought even more refinements. Touchscreen interfaces simplified operation, and auto-calibrating height control ensured consistent cuts as torch components wore down. Inverter technology made plasma cutters lighter and more portable, bringing them into the hands of hobbyists. Today, a decent plasma cutter can be purchased for under $300, a far cry from the industrial behemoths of the past. Modern plasma cutters are now integrated with advanced software for nesting, optimizing cuts to minimize material waste. They can slice through metal up to 6 inches thick with precision within 0.004 inches. Some even use compressed air instead of expensive gases, making them accessible to small businesses and artists. Plasma cutters have left a mark far beyond factories. In the automotive world, they're essential for crafting custom parts and restoring vintage cars. In construction, they shape steel beams for skyscrapers, but their influence extends to art and DIY culture. Metal artists use plasma cutters to create intricate sculptures, from abstract designs to lifelike animals, turning raw steel into stunning works of art. The rise of maker spaces and YouTube tutorials has fueled a DIY revolution. Hobbyists now use plasma cutters to build everything from custom furniture to backyard grills. Channels like Plasma Man showcase plasma cut artwork and homemade CNC machines, inspiring a new generation of creators. Plasma cutting has become a symbol of precision and creativity, bridging industrial power with personal expression. Did you know plasma cutters were born from welding experiments? The discovery of plasma cutting was almost an accident, a byproduct of trying to perfect TIG welding. Here, as another shocker, the plasma jet in a cutter is hotter than the surface of the sun. At 40,000 degrees Fahrenheit, it's no wonder it can slice through steel like it's paper. Ever wonder why plasma cutters don't burn everything around them? The plasma stream is so focused, it creates a localized cutting cone, leaving surrounding metal relatively cool. This precision is why they're perfect for detailed work. One last tidbit. Plasma cutters can cut any conductive metal steel, aluminum, copper, brass, you name it. This versatility makes them a go-to tool across industries. From a wartime lab accident to a cornerstone of modern fabrication, plasma cutters have come a long way. They've evolved from clunky, expensive machines to precise, affordable tools that empower industries, artists, and dyers alike. Their ability to combine raw power with pinpoint accuracy has made them indispensable. And their future looks even brighter with ongoing advancements in automation and portability. Plasma cutters aren't just tools, they are a testament to human ingenuity and the drive to shape the world around us. If this deep dive into plasma cutters sparked your curiosity, hit that like button and subscribe to Objectified for more stories about the tools that shape our world. Drop a comment below. Have you ever used a plasma cutter? Or is there another tool you want us to cover? Share your thoughts and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the evolution of plasma cutters. Stay curious, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video on Objectified. Until then, keep exploring the objects that make our world extraordinary.